My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, I'm going to teach you all how to make some homemade kettle corn. I started out by air popping a half a cup of corn kernels, and I got a big bowl of popcorn right here. And the next step is to lightly butter this all the way around with a little bit of melted butter. And then as I do that, we are going to do a little pinch of salt and a little sprinkle of Confectioners sugar. We're gonna repeat this process about 5 times until all of the popcorn is completely coated. We're gonna give it a toss, give it a drizzle with butter, a little sprinkle of salt, very light sprinkle, and then a little bit of that Confectioner sugar right over the top to cover this completely. Now, I love this as a snack. The whole family really loves this. Popcorn is such a wonderful snack on its own, but when you add the butter, the salt, and the sweet, sweet Confectioner sugar on top, you've got something that everybody's going to enjoy. So this is our 3rd round. A little bit of that Confectioner sugar, and then give it a toss. Just keep tossing. There we go. This is our 4th round, and it smells so, so good. Again, a little pinch of salt, a little bit of Confectioner sugar. I like to use iodized salt for this because it sticks to the popcorn a little bit better than kosher salt does. Oh, this is smelling absolutely amazing. And then one more covering of butter. There we go. A little pinch of that salt, a little sprinkle of that sugar, a little toss. Now let's give it a taste. That is really, really good. And that's how you make homemade kettle corn. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.